Hello everyone, myself Pallavi Nardekar. Analysis of 2024 election data using Power BI is my third task of Mentorness internship. In the realm of electoral politics, comprehensive analysis of election results is crucial for understanding voter behavior, party performance, and alliance dynamics. This report aims to integrate and analyze election results data alongside party alliance information to provide insights into the recent election outcomes. The objective is to analyze the 2024 election data to gain insights into the election results, party performance, and voter trends across various constituencies to create interactive visualizations and dashboards that will help stakeholders understand the election outcomes and the dynamics between different political alliances. They have provided two data sets, election results data and party alliance data. We will have to combine these two data sets to check which alliance are trailing or leading in various constituency. So let's proceed for that. Here I have created two dashboards. For this I have imported data from Excel sheets and I have combined two columns from party alliance data into election dataset 2024 by using merge queries option from transform data. Here select the column leading party and then column 1 from sheet 1 and then press it OK. Since I have done it already, no need to do it again. And I have removed missing values from dataset. I was having a single null value in margin column and I have replaced it with 0 using replace values option. This. And then I have added a column named as average margin per party, which is equal to margin divided by 63. 63 is a total number of parties. And using this column, I have created this line chart which shows sum of average margin per party by state. And then I have created this map which shows sum of average margin per party by state. And this is average of ID by state. And this is a list of candidate with respect to their state and constituency. Madhya Pradesh is having count of average margin per party is 543 and sum of constituency number is 9871 and average of average margin per party is 2.57k. And for Gujarat, count of average margin per party is 26. Sum of constituency number is 351 and average of average margin per party is 4.98k. This is how you can get data for any state. And this is the second dashboard. This is a donut chart which shows count of party name by alliance. As you can see, 55.56% of the parties are independent, 23.81% of the parties are Indian, and 19.05% of the parties are NDA. This is a line chart which shows count of margin by leading party and it shows margin of count of margin by trailing party. And this is a list of leading and trailing candidate with leading party and trailing party and their margin, and this is sum of constituency number by leading party. This is a dashboard I have just now explained. Future iterations of this analysis could include predictive modeling, social media and sentiment analysis, geospatial analysis, advanced dashboard features. This analysis has provided a comprehensive understanding of recent election results through rigorous data handling, insightful analysis, and user friendly visualization. By offering actionable insights and strategic recommendations, stakeholders can leverage this information to refine political strategies and enhance future electoral campaigns. The interactive dashboard stands as a testament to our commitment to making complex electoral data accessible and understandable, empowering stakeholders to navigate and capitalize on the complexities of electoral dynamics effectively. And that's it from my side. Thank you.